Beloved family, how are you all doing? Thank you very much for your love and support as always. I really do appreciate. If today is the first day you are coming across this channel or you are seeing my natural face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel, all opinion is highly needed. So this video you are about to watch, I don't know how you felt about this video, but I do hope you pick some sense from this video. All right, my wonderful family, why don't you carry your popcorn and let us digest this video? And don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section and do well to share this video with your friends and family. All right, here is the video. Let us watch it together, and I will be right back.
Yes, in a confirm here now. Yeah, on the life and direct. Uzagalaga. I know here life and direct.
Everywhere they shut down.
You got a gear. Oh man, no here. You get quarter on them. Edgy daddy, I no get happier by force, by fire by force. Oh, BIAFRA, power. Life and direct. I know here life and direct. If you go on them now, I don't do Joe. I am a choke woman at the time. I've known them.
I do talk about
you. Got to go. Yeah, on the life and direct. If you go closer, I don't know.
Power.
This is for most of you that are asking me to go live so that they can see if what I'm posting is real. This is the Almighty Cemetery Market, also known as the Zuku Market in Abia State. These are the people that have come out today to do business, but the whole market is being locked down. The whole shops are being locked down. As all of us are here, we are witnessing the total lockdown. Stand in solidarity with NNAMDI KANU. Today is 26th of July 2021. As you can see, even the banks are closed down. Understand? So for most of you that are asking me to go live so that I can see, as you can see, people are out, but no shop is open. I see they play the show. For those of you that know about very well, this is the Indomie house. It's totally locked down. We stand in solidarity with NNAMDI KANU. As simple as ABCD. It's our own. It doesn't matter what the federal government do about it. It's our own. We cannot forget our own. All the sabos, if you open your shop, you go lose. Open your shop and you lose money. They say Igbo love money. Go to hell with money. See it. We are here, live and direct. Share the video. Share the video. The people are out. If anything happens in Abuja, the Nigeria government will burn to ashes.
Live and direct.
If anything happens to NNAMDI KANU in Abuja, we'll burn the zoo down.
Live and direct.
Tell them. That is what we say. See, they open their gate, but nobody is inside. We told them that we are not going to sample any single goods. All the shops locked with keys. Live, for those of you asking me to go live, I'm here now live. You can see it. Share it, share it, share it. Izaba, yes, Izaba. Yeah, Izaba. On our live, if you want to talk, you can come and talk. On our live, if you want to talk, you can come and talk. Can you talk? You don't fear. Even banks are closed down in Aba. Banks are closed down. Banks are closed down. Open it, then you see what will happen to you. NNAMDI KANU is our own. We cannot forget him. If anything happens to him in Abuja, then we'll start it from here. No, I'm still live. No, I'm still live. They think that we are joking. We mean business. Share this video. Share this video to Buhari. Share this video to Buhari. Share this video to Buhari. If anything happens to NNAMDI KANU, we'll start it from here. We mean business. Still at Cemetery Market, Ezuku Market. Thank you. Thank you. As we move to other places, we bring you the live updates.
We just wanted to give us a little easy, right? We don't need to remember today at the day we came to support somebody who has been kidnapped from Kenya by the federal government. So that people can also watch that we came there today, and maybe later we'll be able to find our way to support from all of us. This is your Ghana group, so take it away, guys.